Buckle up, friends, because today we've got a car so wild even Tesla would be like, yeah, I'm out! Meet the Sir Vival. Yeah, it sounds like survival. And that's not a coincidence. This wasn't just a car, it was a bunker on wheels, built in 1958 by a guy named Walter Jerome from Worcester, Massachusetts, who clearly knew something about the future the rest of us didn't. So the Sir Vival looked like someone mashed together a blimp cockpit, a military vehicle, and a few questionable design choices made during a long night with no sleep. The car was split into two parts, kind of like your love life. The front capsule held the driver in a tower. Yeah, a literal tower, like you're piloting a tank, not commuting to work. The back section was for passengers who were probably just hoping they didn't end up in the next sci-fi movie. That tower gave full 360-degree visibility, in case, I guess, a pigeon attacked or a tank tried to merge into your lane. And get this, the car could actually bend in the middle thanks to a giant hinge. So if you crashed into something, it would flex like a yoga instructor. Innovation or just wild imagination? Hard to tell. Now the specs, because we're nerds and we love this stuff. Under the hood was a 6-cylinder gasoline engine from a 1948 Hudson, rear-wheel drive, manual transmission, top speed around 50 miles per hour, which means if a turtle was chasing you, you might escape. It weighed over 4,400 pounds, had drum brakes and reinforced tires tough enough to survive judgmental stares from pedestrians. Only one was ever made. One. Probably because after seeing it, everyone else was like, nah, I'll walk. So yeah, if you think modern cars are weird, just remember Sir Vival. Or better yet, don't. It might hear you. If you're into this kind of crazy car history and want more episodes from our What the Heck Is That collection, smash that subscribe button on Technomaniacs. And hey, if for some reason you want to build your own rolling tower of safety, the link to the official website is in the video description. See you next time, and don't forget to buckle up, even if your car looks like a small building on wheels.